I found 4 websites that will pay you within 24 hours. In this video, I will be discussing 4 websites that pay you within 24 hours. If you're looking for quick ways to make some extra cash online, then you come right place and right video. Don't waste more time searching for make money online. So, if you're interested in earning some money quickly and easily, then keep watching until the end. Our first website was Swagsbucks. Basically, Swagbucks is a website and app that allows you to earn points by completing various online tasks, such as watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping online. These points can then be exchanged cash through PayPal. First, come to the Swagsbucks and create an account. When you sign up, you come here in this page. Here you can see you can earn points just by watching TikTok videos. If you like to play games, you can see here many games are available here. In this website, there are many tasks you can complete and earn points. When you earn many points, come here in search bar. Choose rewards here and search for PayPal. Exchange your points into cash though by PayPal. You can also choose Euro if you live in any Europe country, but I will suggest you withdraw money through US dollar. Now we are going to second website, which was Click-a-Snap. Basically, Click-a-Snap is a website where you can upload and share your photos with others. It also allows you to earn money by getting paid for views on your photos. First, go to the Click-a-Snap and create your free account. This website will pay us 0.90 cent per view photo. Now we need photos to upload here. For that, we are going to pixel.com. Basically, pixels.com is a website where you can find free stock photos and videos that you can use for personal or commercial projects. Download the photo which you like the most, and back again to the Click-a-Snap. Then upload a photo here and fill the all description box and click on the post. I suggest you to upload photos 10 to 20 times daily to get quick results. Now we are going to third websites, which was Money Pantry. Money Pantry is a website that provides information on how to make money online through various ways, such as taking surveys, watching videos, writing articles, and much more. Here you can see there are 101 sites that pay you $50 to $3,000 per blog post. There are many sites you can choose. For example, I will choose Alaska Airlines Magazine. Now we are going to ChatGPT and type here write articles about Alaska Airlines Magazine. When articles is ready, don't send it immediately. If you copy the whole text and send them, they will not accept. Make sure that you have to change some sentence in articles. Then they will accept. Now we are going to fourth website, which was shrinkme.io. For that, first we have to go YouTube and choose the one video for make money. For example, I will choose Mr. Beast video. Then copy the link of the video. Now head off to the shrinkme.io. Create your free account here. When you log in, you come in this page. Now click on the new shortened link and paste the link here, which was copied from YouTube. Now this is our link. We can earn money just by promoting others YouTubers' video. They will pay us money by per 1,000 views. If someone click your link and watch video, you will get money. These all are the payment rates of different country, but their minimum rate was $3.30 for every other country. And these all are the payment proof who recently withdraw money from this sites. Now we have to promote this link. For that, we have to go Facebook groups. There are many people active. Joins there's groups and upload your link there. You can also upload your link in Instagram, TikTok, and many things. These 4 websites can provide you with quick cash within 24 hours. They are easy to use, and you can start earning immediately. Remember that making money online requires time, effort, and dedication to see results. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.